Well, hello there everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and I'm really glad that you have joined me today because I am making garlic and herb mashed potatoes. Yes, now these potatoes are not your ordinary mashed potatoes. Oh no, these are on a whole nother level. They are creamy, they are full of flavor. They just make mashed potatoes a little bit fancy. They're just so delicious. Now I'm going to go over all these ingredients with you and show you just how to make them, but the full recipe will be in the description box below. I'm super excited. It's time to get busy in this kitchen, guys, because you know what time it is. It is time to cook. All right, so I have roughly 3 pounds of an Idaho russet potato. I have filled the pot with cold water. That's a very important tip, guys. Don't be tempted to fill your pot with hot water thinking they'll cook quicker. What you will end up with is lumpy potatoes because it will cook the outer part of the potatoes quicker, and the center will be not cooked all the way through. So always start with cold water, and then I'm going to let these cook for about 20 minutes or so, just until they're fork tender. And I'm also going to add 3 garlic cloves, and I'm going to cook them in with the pot of potatoes. All right, let's see if these are fork tender. Yep, they look like they are. So here are the herbs I'm using: some fresh chives, fresh thyme, and fresh parsley. And I'm going to chop up my parsley first. Then my chives. Then I'm going to remove the thyme leaves from the stem by sliding my finger down the stem. All right, guys, so my microphone is giving me a lot of problems in this video, so I'm just going to tell you what I said here in this clip. My potatoes are all done. I have drained off the water and allowed them to sit in my pot and steam a bit. This just helps all the extra liquid evaporate out of the potatoes, and they're a little bit drier, which helps to have a creamier mashed potato. I'm going to start to add in all these ingredients and get to mashing the potatoes. So I'm going to give a good pinch of salt and black pepper to the potatoes. And I have 4 tablespoons of butter and 1/3 cup of sour cream. Now I'm using an electric mixer, but you can use a potato masher or even a potato ricer if you like. That's completely up to you. All right, so now I'm going to start to add my milk, and this milk is warm. I heated it in the microwave, and I'm just going to add it a little bit at a time. Guys, I'm still really having a lot of problems with my microphone in this clip, so I'm doing a voiceover here, but I'm just adding milk and then mashing just till I get the consistency that I want. Then I'm going to add all my herbs. All right, I'm going to give them a little taste. I just want to see if my seasoning is right or if I need to add extra salt. I think I'm going to add just another pinch of salt. Guys, these garlic and herb mashed potatoes are so creamy and full of flavor. I hope that you give them a try. Use these at your next family dinner instead of those ordinary mashed potatoes, because I know that your family will love them. Well, thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.